Okay, let's do another little update, kind of mid-morning Saturday, working out here on the golf cart. So I got the alignment done on the front, so looking good there. And now I'm working on the back, so I just pulled off the brakes because they don't work hardly at all. I think it's just because they're so dirty and rusted. So I'm working on doing a little brake job, and then we will install the lift kit, which here's the blocks for that. So probably also going to paint all this stuff while I'm at it. Working on, my garage is such a mess, but working on cleaning off these rotors. So this is what it kind of looked like when I pulled it off. It's pretty bad, really rusty, and so I'm going to clean them and throw a coat of paint on them, kind of make them look nicer. And then, yeah, touch back here in a minute. That's a lot of gunk. Alright, I got this all assembled back together, and I noticed that the adjustment mechanism wasn't working quite right. So it's all coming apart. I'm going to see what's wrong with it. It might have just been clogged up a little bit. But yeah, we're going to do like a complete brake service instead of just a quick job. Yay! Okay, I found the problem. This is the automatic adjustment mechanism. You can see right here where the shoe has been resting. It's deformed the metal and caused a little burr. And that burr is preventing the mechanism from closing completely, which prevents it from adjusting. So I just need to knock down that burr and it should work correctly now. Alright, it's all back together. Can't really show you that it works, but you've got to have the drum on to give pressure on these to get it to adjust. But I hear it clicking and it sounds like it's adjusting. So that's good. Get a little bit more life out of these before replacing them. Alright, rear lift kit is on. Everything under here got a nice coat of rattle can. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm going to put on the wheels and pull the jack stands, and we'll take a look at what she looks like. Alright, here's what it looks like with the lift kit on. I think it turned out really good. Super happy with how this is coming along. It's looking better and better every minute. Dude, it still looks like such a piece of junk. But it's gonna be cool. Obviously I'm getting closer to, painting it and body work and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, check that out. That's getting there. I think it's looking good. Once I get the fenders, there's like some trim parts that go around here. It'll take up a little bit of the gap that's there now. And then of course, with the roof and all the extra weight on it, the back seat, it'll sag down a little bit more. But I'm happy with it. I think it's great. So I'm going to take it for a quick spin, make sure everything's working okay. And yeah, then we'll move on to the next step.